What if one sneeze never stopped? In 1922, a man named Charles Osborne sneezed once, and then again, and again. Those sneezes never stopped. For years, he sneezed every few seconds, at his worst, up to 20 times a minute. Doctors had no cure. It lasted not for days, not for months, but 68 years. That's over 100 million sneezes. Imagine living your entire life, unable to stop, and then one day, in 1990, it just stopped, as suddenly as it began. No one ever figured out why it started, or why it ended, because sometimes the human body doesn't break, it glitches.